Welcome to an Excel adventure that is all about safeguarding your data. Get ready to dive into the world of Excel protection where your spreadsheets become impenetrable fortresses. Are you ready to become the ultimate protector of your data? Join us as we unveil the art of protecting Excel worksheets and specific ranges in the most engaging way. Step into the future of Excel security. Get ready for a journey that will take you through the advanced techniques to fortify your spreadsheets. Welcome Excel pointers to the frontier of the data defense. It's time to harness the power of the future and apply futuristic protection to your Excel worksheets and specific ranges. Let's dive into the extraordinary as we reveal the magic behind protecting Excel worksheets and specific ranges. Are you ready to become the shield that keeps your data safe? Let's embark on this thrilling adventure. Let the Excel protection begin. In the present time, everyone needs protection for their specific data which belongs to his employees or its personal life. So, keeping in view that Excel also gives us a lot of protection options. First of all, we have protection option while saving our file. Just go to save as, more options. Here you can see option the tools are available. So go to general options. Now we can add password to open separately. If we want any edit to modify, we can use separate password add there. By applying password there, your sheet will be protected, and every time we want to open this, it requires some password. We want to modify it or edit it, it will require some password. Okay, moving to the another amazing group which is available inside Excel. Go to review tab. Here is the option of protect. So there is a lot of commands are available. So it's already protected. Let me unprotect it. So a lot of options are available. Protect sheet, protect workbook, allow edit ranges. It all will be discussed in today's video. For example, first of all, we have option of protect workbook. We just want to protect, click it, add your password. I just entered 123. So now your workbook is protected. Protection of workbook only applicable to its structure. For example, you cannot edit new sheet. It just work like this. Even you cannot hide, unhide. You cannot customize worksheets. It only protects your structure of workbook. To unprotect it, you just click it, enter your password 123. Okay, now your sheet is unprotected. Now we have protect sheets. Just click it. A small pop-up menu will open there. Just enter your password. You have a lot of options which you can allow users to do while your sheet is locked, but you can control commands before locking it. For example, you don't want to allow users to delete rows or columns. You don't check it, go without checking it. So I enter password, re-enter password. Okay, now you can see I cannot enter any data or edit existing data. It's always required password. Even you can see we cannot format it. Every option is turned off because our worksheet is protected. So just go to review tab, unprotect sheet, enter your password. Now you can see all the options are brought back and you can format it now. As you see, there is a lot of options which you can allow your users according to your requirements or according to your work pattern. You can also check it all. At the end, we have allow edit ranges. So let me show you how ranges work. For example, you select some specific range. I selected, for example, like this. I want this. If someone tries to make change in this specific selected data region, it should require some password. So I go to allow edit ranges, add new, just select my data range. Like I don't want any change in this without user password. Just enter. So I password it as ABC. Now okay, again enter password. Okay, now protect sheet. So this time if someone tries to edit it, it will require some password. If you try to do anything other than this range, so it will show you the sheet is protected. In this way specific ranges work. Every time I go to there, in my selected region, it will acquire some password. For example, I enter password. Now you can see I can make edits anywhere. On protect sheet you can make anywhere edits. It does not require any password. You can add ranges according to your own requirements. You can delete it just clicking delete it after your whole work. Now it's normal. If you want to do like this, if I enter some data there, it does not require any password or protect sheet command, but my whole sheet stay protected. I just allow to enter data there and it does not require any password. So we can do it. Just select the cells at where which you want add data without adding password or unprotecting our sheet. Just right click on it, format cells, go to protection, make sure it is unchecked. Unchecked it. Okay, now protect your sheet. So anywhere you try to put data, it will show you error command, but if you try to put data there, it does not show any error because we have unlocked it to enter data without acquiring password. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating Excel journey. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and embrace the role of the ultimate Excel guardian. Until next time, let's keep fortifying our spreadsheet.